1320 Lake Youngs Way, Southeast Renton, 98058. Date is August 3rd, 2022. I'm making this recording from the interior clean out of the home. I've got the camera pushed 100 and some feet down the line to an area of blockage. Pipe is compromised in some way. Out here I can't see what's causing that. Due to that backed up sewage at that spot. I've got that located about 9 feet deep out in the road, out there in the street, so off property. We're going to come back through this off property pipe. We're now back on property. There's a 6-inch diameter clean out just on the property side here, and there's a section of old concrete pipe here we're going through. I'm going to get a quick locate on this spot. Pause and locate it. And continuing the recording, I've got that located about 7.5 feet deep. This is the end of the 4-inch diameter section of PVC pipe. So there is 5 or so feet, 5-6 feet of old concrete pipe between sections of PVC. Got that marked out in the yard. Coming back through this 4-inch diameter existing PVC now. The rest of this line is this same material. Made the recording from this 3-inch diameter ABS cleanout, and the video there.